Hey guys, it's Shalane. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be organizing the linen closet. So I hope you enjoy it, and let's do this. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I'm doing the outro down here so that the living room and the hallway can be walked through. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share, and turn on the bell for post notifications. And tell me if you like this video in the comments down below. See you in the next one. Bye!